Today I'm working on something a little different. I'm in my wife's craft room where my sewing machine is pulling to the left. When you sew on it, it keeps going to the left. I checked the foot out, I checked everything out, and I think these little, I don't know what you call them, the feet here. This side here looks to be a little lower than this side when it going through the plate. You know, as it passes through the plate. And what would cause that would be if this one's higher, it'd be putting more pressure onto the foot and pulling to this side. Am I right? Yeah, because if this is higher and pulling this way, it would pull the material that direction, off to the right, left. So it pulls to the left. So what I've done, I've tried 2 or 3 things. I've cleaned this thing out. It was real nasty. And there was trash in these screws here, which that could cause it pushing against here, not this side being lower. But what I've done, I put me a piece of shim, put me 1,000 shim under this side, lifting this up. So what I'm going to try here, I'm going to try it out, so see if it pulls, keeps pulling to the left. And if it does, I'll put another 1,000th under here, or 2,000 shim under here to lift this side here up. Kind of give it a rise to it. It's got an adjustment over here, down here. It's got an adjustment there. You can see it right there. But that adjustment lifts the whole thing. You know, see? It doesn't just lift one side, it lifts the whole thing. Please hold. But if I tighten this up and lift this up, see, like so, that's just going to lift the whole thing, and it gives the whole thing more pressure against the foot and pull more material. This type of machine here, the old ones, they don't have a tension on this where you can push down more tension onto the feet because of the material thickness you're running. It's just set up for that, and that's it. You get what you got. The old machines had adjustments everywhere. You can adjust everything. But this one here, I'm going to try this 1,000 shim. I'm going to put it all back together. I'm going to take a sew on it, make a pass, see if it pulls again. Somebody said it's the material, thickness of the material, you know, from one side to the other, but hey, I've tried the same type of material and it still pulls to the left. You just let go of it, and you know, this machine used to sew straight as a button 40 years ago, but I'm going to try to fix it. All right, let me put this thing together. Okay, now if you take a look at the feet, that one looks just as high as this one does now. They feel just as sharp. Got the knurl on them about right. That one feels about the same. We're going to try it out and see. Looks about the same. Okay. Alright, we're going to try it. Now check this out. That's all I had to do. Put that 1,000 shim in there. And just straight in the button. Now see, that didn't make sense. All I had to do. You run straight as a button. Alright. I'm gonna call that a fix. That's another one of my honeydews around the house. Y'all be good. Take care. Come back and see me sometime.